Mount Washington College is a new online school. And I know what you're thinking, yes, there are a lot of online schools out there, but none quite like this. We've entirely redesigned and reimagined the way online learning is delivered. Welcome to Mount Washington College. We've redefined flexible. You dictate the length of time you want to spend on individual classes, which can range from 2 to 20 weeks. This allows you to plan your academic schedule around your personal and work commitments. We've provided tools to make it easy to track your progress. Set your desired completion date, and we will help you stay on track. We've made learning at your convenience more convenient than ever with access on the go. That's right. Open the doors to Mount Washington College on your smartphone, tablet, or any other device with a strong internet connection. Whether you've had a long morning commute on the train or in the waiting room at the doctor's office, you can access your course materials and interact with your classmates and instructors. We've reimagined interaction. Make the most out of your online experience and interact with classmates and instructors on your time in your own way with our course-enhancing tools. Not only is this the most interactive online educational platform, but we wanted to make it fun with some competition. Earn badges for everything from your first day of class to making consistent progress on your course materials. Share them on your social media profiles and see where you rank among other students. We've teamed up with the nation's leading educational providers and selected the latest and greatest applications for everything you need to succeed. All of your apps can be accessed with one convenient single login. And there's more to come. We are constantly researching and rolling out new features, so you can be sure that we have the best tools to connect you with the education you've been waiting for. Our innovative approach to learning helps you take control of your education. Welcome to Mount Washington College.